Options reviewed by German governments for Tornado aircraft replacement. Germany news. The German Air Force's requirement to replace its 90 Panavia Tornados with a new aircraft is apparently being reconsidered by German Defense Minister Christine Lambrecht. In 2019, then German Defense Minister Ursula von der Leyen recommended phased retirement of the aircraft in the 2020s. With Eurofighter Typhoons, Boeing F-18 Super Hornets, and EA-18G Growlers being considered, orders for either alternative, however, were never forthcoming. The German government is expected to be caught between its commitment to create a future combat air system, FCAS, with France and the increasing number of NATO allies and regional European air forces who have chosen the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. The Finnish Air Force and the United Arab Emirates are two of the most recent countries to acquire F-35s.